January brings on the cold full force and some dreary days. When it's dreary out, sometimes it's also dreary in our minds. But one event in Rothschild is shedding light on all the mental health resources available in central Wisconsin. NewsChannel 7's Brianna Weaver was at the event to learn more.
Understanding mental health is taking on a whole new meaning, whether that be through emotionally connecting games, meeting local law enforcement, or even taking home stimulating prizes. Learning emotions and empathy through new ways is common at the Through a New Lens event. For the past 2 years, mental health resources across Marathon County have come together to help bring awareness in the community. This idea came together based on the season.
And this is a time of year when people get kind of locked into their homes. We know the holidays can be stressful. So we thought it was a great opportunity to just bring people together, let them see some of the resources in the community.
Sheriff Billups says it's especially important to have a kid's atmosphere included in an event like this. It allows them to break down stigmas and continue to understand emotions.
Everyone is going to run into a tough time in their life. And if you don't know where to go, we'd like to give you some options. So that's why people can come out here, and we think that having kids involved is important because we want to start that culture now in our community, the culture of saying it's okay to ask for help.
Sheriff Billups not the only one who thinks that. So do the 30 vendors at the event, including one who is helping kids talk about their emotions through a game.
They roll a set of dice, and then they get to choose a number, or whatever the dice lands on, they choose it off of the board, and we ask them a question. The questions are easy, like what makes you happy, what makes you smile, who can you talk to if you're feeling blue.
Meadows says it's important to make these types of connections, especially from an early age and during seasons like this.
We're making kids and parents actually verbalize what makes them feel good, who they can talk to. And when parents and kids talk about mental health, a lot of times it's just starting that conversation, and an event like this can really spark that happening.
Meadows and Sheriff Billups say if you're struggling with mental health, you don't have to go through it alone. There are many resources available that can help.